This is Science Painter, and in this lesson you will learn how to use internal and external sheet to reference the same cell or a range of cells in Excel. A 3D reference in Excel refers to the same cell or range of cells on multiple worksheets. It is a very convenient and fast way to calculate data across several worksheets with the same structure, and it may be a good alternative to the Excel Consolidate feature. Also, external reference in Excel is a reference to a cell or a range of cells outside the current worksheet. On the total sheet, select cell B2 and type an equal sign. I go to the US sheet, select cell B2 and type a plus. I repeat previous step for the Japan and China sheet. I repeat previous step for the Japan and China sheet. Finally, I drag it to apply for other parameters. For the population, I should change the format to general. Instead of doing this, you can use the following 3D reference: US colon Japan exclamation mark B2 as the argument for the sum function. If you add worksheets between US and Japan, this worksheet is automatically included in the formula in cell B2. To create an external reference, execute the following steps. Open all workbooks. In the Total tab, select cell B2 and type the equal sign. On the View tab, in the Window group, click Switch Windows. Click US. In the US workbook, select cell B2. Type plus. Repeat these steps for the other workbooks. Then you can see the result. Notice that you can drag it to apply for all cells. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.